Hello, this is Victor at RestoringMercedes.com. This video is for Eldon in Minnesota, and here we have a 95, I believe, SL500 throttle body that I just finished, and it's bench test, so just show you the operation. So your unit has been on the bench test for a few hours by now, and it's pretty warm right now, so it seems to be that the coil is good and readouts are good. I just had to realign the plate a little bit, and that's about all. The wires were terrible. They were all shorted out. It was just pretty bad. The unit itself has some corrosion, but it cleaned off decently well. Most importantly, we need to know the plate. So this thing came clean and pretty nice. So let's take a look at the readouts that this module, the C-gas module is giving out. And I'm going to leave it on the bench overnight, and it's gonna make it heat up even more. Throttle linkage is perfectly fine. It's just very nice and loose. It's seriously like I can even move it right, very nice and light. So okay, so the readouts. So we have this at with this throttle body at idle. 4.24 is the top potentiometer. 0.47 is the lower one, perfectly fine. Open the throttle, micro switches change their positioning, and voltages also follow. So we're in good shape here, and I don't have any problems with this unit anymore. It's just totally fine with me. So this is basically going to be a very short video just to show that the unit is operational before I mail it out, because I got a bunch of things on the bench, so I have to keep moving. But I still have to leave it on the bench overnight. Just let it get really hot, and let it just be active just like that, because when it moves it gets hotter because the motor generates heat. So the new wire and loom, the plug, everything is on point. Okay, so this was a quick video just to update the Eldon, update Eldon that everything's good. Alright, so this is all. This is Victor at RestoringMercedes.com. Thank you for watching.